With autonomous AI agents like OpenClaw, AI is no longer just for conversations. It can now execute tasks, call tools, and automate real work. But when an AI assistant runs 24/7, how can it deliver maximum value across diverse industrial scenarios? It needs a trusted home, running locally, under your control. The Hongdian Smart 3000 Edge AI Gateway, powered by on-device computing and advanced chip architectures. It enables OpenClaw to respond instantly on-device, easily applied in scenarios such as factory line monitoring, campus security coordination, unmanned site monitoring. So what can it do after OpenClaw has been ported? Here are 4 quick examples.
Check your own system status. Email me the system self-check report. What's the current temperature? Predict the temperature for Friday. I'll ask you a few check questions. Turn on the alarm for yes, off for no. Is Hongdian an AI product R&D company? Take a photo of my desk and send it to my email.
Why run AI agents at the edge? Because data security and operational efficiency both matter. This is just the beginning. With OpenClaw, AI automation starts here.